Open your WhatsApp, then you see my WhatsApp dashboard. Home, you see a three dot icon, linked device. So click link device. That means now you need to open your desktop. Open your desktop app. Then you can see welcome to WhatsApp. Get it start. So now I click linked device. So simple. You turn your passcode, then you scan your computer. Permission, if all permission should allow. So see, we successfully connected my mobile to desktop. So that's it. Thanks for watching.